Alright, I want to just do a quick video showing what I've got now for my setup on my Mavic Mini. I've tried a phone and this tablet, which is a Lenovo Tab 8, which you can get refurbished ones for 40 bucks on eBay. It works great. You just have to buy a USB to USB cable, 12-inch one. But the point of the video is showing off this top mount tablet holder, which is from Powerextra. It's made for 4 to 12-inch wide tablets or phones. I've got it set up with the grabbing the top and the bottom part. What I like about it is it's allows a lot of adjustments in the back here. This is has several stops on the vertical. This one has several stops also, very tight, so we got a nice strong mount setup. It's nice and rigid. You can still reach in when you're flying and adjust the antennas positions, and you can easily drape the cable around to the side and back around, and it's easy to unlatch and take off. I'll just show you with the we'll start the app up here. I got the drone running over here. Turn on the controller. Looks like we're good. Got a working signal here. So now I'll show you the other mount that I tried. Before I do that, I'll show you how it comes off here. It just kind of unsnaps. You've probably seen video or seen pictures of this on Amazon. That's kind of the configuration. These work with the Mavic RCs, but it also works with the Mavic Mini, which is kind of the point. And these do expand out, and you can use it either horizontally or vertically. I just like the fact that it's very rigid. It's plastic, so it's not going to interfere with the signal at all, and it seems reasonably strong. The one that I started with was this one here, which I saw somebody else using it on one of the YouTube channels. It's a similar kind of mount, but it just kind of grabs the controller this way. You can see based on where the tablet located, you're going to have to go pretty much up to here, this kind of an angle, to be able to still operate the antennas. And most of the time you're probably going to want something more of a 45-degree angle. So obviously when you put the tablet in there, it becomes an obstruction. And it just didn't seem to be very sturdy compared to the other one. The one thing I did want to note, if you look the way this one, as well as the other one, this particular tablet here has the on-off switch right there, so you got to make sure that you're offset a little bit so that you don't accidentally turn your tablet on and off based on where it gets positioned on the bracket. Talk to you later.